With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is the free end of a thread wound on a bobbin is passed round a nail hammered into the wall. Now the thread is pulled at a constant velocity of v. Assuming the pure rolling of bobbin, find the velocity v0 of the center of the bobbin at the instant when the thread forms an angle of alpha with the vertical. While we have given capital R and small r are the outer and inner radii of the bobbin. So let's see the solution here. So as per the question, you can see that a thread is wound on a bobbin, okay, and then it is tied up to a point which is fixed into the wall by the hammer. As per the question, it is given that. Okay, now you can see that this thread passes over that point. Okay, now one end of this thread is pulling with the velocity of v in this direction, obviously, while this thread is making an angle of alpha with this vertical. So as per the question, we have to find here the velocity of v0, okay, which is of the center of body at an instant when the thread forms an angle of this alpha with this vertical, okay, while we have the inner radius of the bobbin as small r and outer radius of the bobbin as capital R. Okay, now first of all, let us do one thing, that is, if we draw here the horizontal line, okay, so as this much of angle is alpha and this much of angle will become 90 degree, so can I say that this much of angle will become 90 minus alpha, right? This much of angle will become 90 minus of alpha. Okay, now as per the question, it is given that the bobbin is doing a pure rolling. Okay, what is given? Pure rolling. So for pure rolling, we know that the v0 will become equals to r omega. Now how did we got it? That is, it is given in the question, the velocity of body of center is v0, while the velocity at this surface of the bobbin is r of omega. So because of pure rolling of bobbin, v0 will be equals to r omega. Let's suppose this as equation number 1. Now speed of point in contact with the string should be v. Okay, means if we suppose the speed at this point of contact to be v, so it can be given by v is equals to r omega minus of v0 cos of 90 minus of alpha. Okay, so this will become equals to r omega minus of v0. Now cos 90 minus alpha, this can be written as sine of alpha. Okay, and this is what we got the velocity of point of contact. Let's suppose this as equation number 2. From equation 1, if we put here the value of omega as v0 by r, so this will become v equals to, in the place of omega we are putting, so r will be constant here. This is v0 divided by r minus of v0 sine of alpha. This will become equals to, we can take v0 as constant here. So this implies small r by capital R minus of sine of alpha. From here, the v0 will be equals to v divided by small r divided by capital R minus of sine of alpha. Or if we simplify it, so it will become equals to vr divided by r minus capital R sine of alpha. And this is what our final answer, which is asked in the question, to find the velocity v0 of the center of the body. Okay, center of the bobbin. So this is what the required solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.